Receiving verifies shipment integrity before materials enter the controlled line.
Scanning establishes digital traceability from the first touch.
Incoming quality checks prevent defects from entering production.
Only released materials are authorized for line use.
Uniform paste volume enables reliable component soldering.
Paste inspection catches volume defects before placement. Automated placement ensures speed and positional accuracy. Controlled heating forms reliable solder joints. Proper cooling stabilizes solder joint structure. AOI detects placement and solder defects early. Depaneling creates individual boards for downstream assembly. Functional testing confirms the board boots correctly. Proper setup ensures repeatable mechanical assembly.
Alignment is perfect. Great job. Please sign off here.
All right, thank you.
Secure mounting protects electronics during use. Secure electrical connection is critical for power reliability. Quick checks confirm connections before enclosure closure. Proper thermal assembly protects performance and component life.
Consistent thermal paste improves heat transfer efficiency.
Accurate hinge mounting ensures smooth rotation. Torque checks prevent loose or stiff hinges. Precise alignment ensures proper key feel and fit.
Early functional tests catch input issues before closure.
Correct touchpad positioning ensures accurate cursor control.
proper routing prevents wear and signal loss.
Closing the enclosure protects internal components.
Visual checks ensure premium exterior quality.
Proper routing prevents cable fatigue during rotation.
Correct antenna placement ensures wireless performance. Early RF checks prevent downstream connectivity failures. Accurate camera placement ensures image alignment. Functional checks confirm user privacy features.
Functional testing verifies security features.
Proper storage installation ensures data reliability.
Power-on testing confirms overall system integrity.
Automated tests validate user-facing functions.
Isolated rework maintains line efficiency.
Retesting ensures fixes meet specification.
Factory software ensures consistent system configuration.
Verification confirms software integrity.
Serialization ties hardware and software records together. Safety testing protects end users.
Thermal checks confirm cooling performance. Battery checks confirm safe and reliable power delivery.
Audio testing ensures clear sound and recording quality.
Connectivity tests confirm reliable wireless performance.
Correct accessories ensure a complete customer package.
Align the corners precisely before closing the sleeve securely. Then place the unit into the ESD safe tray.
Proper box setup ensures secure packaging.
Sealed cartons protect product integrity.
Weight checks catch missing or extra contents.
Accurate labels enable downstream logistics tracking.
Master cartons improve handling efficiency.
Sealed cases protect units during bulk transport.
Consistent pallet loads ensure transport stability.
Wrapping stabilizes pallets for safe transport.
Packaging waste is segregated for recycling.
Electronic scrap is handled through certified channels.
Regulated waste is isolated for compliant disposal.
Staging organizes pallets for efficient loading.
Controlled loading protects products in transit.
A final area check confirms safe conditions after dispatch.
System confirmation closes the production order.
Archived records support traceability and audits.
Reusable WIP carriers are cycled back efficiently. Inventory accuracy is restored after production.
The completed process reflects controlled, end-to-end manufacturing.